following message is transmitted at the request of Mitchell County Emergency Management. Mitchell County residents, leave now. A life-threatening situation is occurring in the county. Several homes and structures have been destroyed due to a dangerous phenomenon occurring in the county. There have been several reports of thunderstorms producing Category 5 hurricane force winds and insane amounts of lightning, which was shown to be a blood red color. These lightning bolts have also ignited many wildfires of the same color. Additionally, screams of anger can be heard through the mountains as these thunderstorms move through the area. Reports have also come out of an angered woman roaming the area in a red flaming aura. Confirmations of this woman has been confirmed to be a highly dangerous individual known as Valenia, better known as Miss Valerie. Valenia is a 23-year-old white female, born November 12, 1999, 5 feet tall, weighs 180 pounds with silver eyes and jet black hair. She was last seen wearing a black studded leather jacket, a shredded black shirt, black fishnet gloves, large rings on each finger, black distressed jeans, black platform boots, and is also noted to have 2 nose piercings, a piercing above her lip, 5 piercings in her right ear and 3 in her left ear. Her nails are also sparking with the same lightning descripted. This woman is out to kill. Do not come across her as you will die. All Mitchell County residents are now required to leave as you will face certain death if you refuse. Leave now.